Welcome back. We are still on the topic transformation and rigid motion. In the previous video, we learned how to reflect a point in the line y is equal to a. In this video, we are going to learn how to reflect a point in the line y is equal to ax. Reflection the line y is equal to ax. The line y is equal to ax is also known as the line y minus ax is equal to 0. Because if we bring ax over to the left hand side, the equation becomes y minus ax is equal to 0. Now we can clearly see a difference between this line y is equal to ax and the one we considered in the previous video, which is y is equal to a. So in the previous video, the line we considered was line y is equal to a. So for example, we can have line y is equal to 2, or line y is equal to minus 3, and so many other examples. The line we are considering in this video is line y is equal to ax. So this time an x is attached to the constant here. So for example, we can have line y is equal to 2x, line y is equal to 2x, or line y is equal to minus 3x. So you can see a difference between the line y is equal to ax and the line y is equal to a. Now that we know the difference, let's move on and learn how to reflect a point in the line y is equal to ax. If a point A with coordinates xy is reflected in the line y is equal to ax, then A prime, which is the image of A, is given by A prime with coordinates 1 over ay as the x coordinate, then ax as the y coordinate. So under a reflection the line y is equal to ax, the rule of the transformation is xy mapped to 1 divided by ay as the x coordinate, then ax as the y coordinate. Now let's look at something very interesting here. The equation of this line is y is equal to ax. Now look at the y coordinate of the image. It is ax. So the y coordinate is giving us ax. Let's make x the subject of this equation. We have y is equal to ax. Y is equal to ax can also be written as ax is equal to y. Let's make the x the subject of this equation. To make x the subject of this equation, you divide both sides by a, as we learned in the videos on change of subjects. So you divide the left hand side by a, you divide the right hand side by a and a will cancel, and that will give us x is equal to y divided by a. X is equal to y divided by a can also be written as x is equal to 1 divided by a y. Now you can see that 1 divided by ay is also the x coordinate of the image. So y is equal to ax. The y coordinate of the image is ax. When we make x the subject of the equation, we are getting x is equal to 1 divided by ay. The x coordinate of the image is also 1 divided by ay. So you can use this simple trick to remember the rule. Under reflection the line y is equal to ax, xy maps to 1 divided by ay as the x coordinate, then ax as the y coordinate. Let's use this to solve some questions. Find the image of the following points when reflected in the lines indicated. So we have 3 points and we have been given 3 different lines. We will solve the first one in this video, then we solve the remaining 2 in the next video. So let's begin with the first one. Find the image of the point A with coordinates 4, 2 when reflected in the line y is equal to 2x. So you can see that this time an x is attached to the 2. So this is an example of a line y is equal to ax. We are going to find the image of the point A with coordinates 4, 2 when it is reflected in the line y is equal to 2x. We have learned that under reflection the line y is equal to ax, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to 1 divided by ay as the x coordinate, then AX as the y coordinate. So from here we can clearly see that we need the value of A to substitute it into this to get the rule of the transformation when the point is reflected in the line y is equal to 2x. To get the value of A, we will have to compare y is equal to 2x to y is equal to ax. So let's do that. We have y is equal to ax. The equation of the line given to us is y is equal to 2x. So we are going to compare y is equal to ax to y is equal to 2x to get the value of a. Now when we compare, we can see that a will give us 2 because we have y is equal to ax and y is equal to 2x. So by comparison, we can clearly see that a is giving us 2. We now have the value of a. So we are going to substitute it into this rule here. When we do that, we will have xy maps to, so we are replacing a with 2. We have 1 divided by 2y, then here we have ax, so 2x. This means that under reflection the line y is equal to 2x, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to 1 divided by 2y as the x coordinate, then 2x as the y coordinate. Now we can use this rule to transform the point A with coordinates 4, 2. We will have the point A with coordinates 4, 2 giving us A prime, which is the image of A. The x coordinate is 1 divided by 2y, that is 1 divided by 2 times y. And the y here is the y coordinate of the point. The y coordinate of the point is 2. So we have 1 divided by 2 times 2. Then the y coordinate is 2x. The x here is the x coordinate of the point. The x coordinate of the point is 4. So we have 2 times 4. 1 divided by 2 times 2 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So the point A with coordinates 4, 2 will give us A prime, which is the image of A. 1 divided by 2 times 2 is 1. So the x coordinate of A prime will be 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So the y coordinate of A prime will be 8. So the point A with coordinates 4, 2 is giving us the image A prime with coordinates 1, 8. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. We had 3 questions to solve at the beginning of this video and we have solved the first one. In the next video, we are going to solve the 2 remaining questions. Bye bye.